In this video, I will show you how you can uninstall apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the app drawer and from here just tap and hold on the app which you want to delete. For example, I will select this app. Now after you tap and hold on the app, this menu will show up. Now from here, just select uninstall. Now just select uninstall. And after you do that, you'll delete the selected app from your Samsung phone. Now, there are some system apps which cannot be deleted. For example, if you're using Samsung Messages and if you want to uninstall Google Messages, there is no way to delete Google Messages. The only option you have is disable. And after you do that, then just select disable. And by doing that, the app will not be deleted from your Samsung phone, but it will be removed from the app drawer and from the home screen. Now, there is also another way to delete apps on your Samsung phone. And for that, just go to Settings. And under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just select any app which you want to delete. For example, I will select this app. And from here, just select Uninstall at the bottom of the screen and tap on Uninstall. By doing that, the selected app will be deleted. Now, in the same way, there are some apps which cannot be deleted, but you can disable them from here. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.